Okay, so we arrived at the site, and today's task for this morning is we have to finish putting in our bathroom floors, which are large panel tiles. The dimensions are 24 by 48, so basically a 2-foot by 4-foot panel tile that we're using to create a solid one-piece floor look. Check out the video as we begin to cut in the AC register for the floors, where you normally get your heat and cold air from. So check it out.
Ready? Yep. Action.
Yeah.
This nice, beautiful, large panel tile floor down there. Okay. Everything is ready to go. Nice and tight. Perimeters, everything. Thank you for viewing.